Hey there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager and 4X UTurn, and today is June the 12th, 2012. Okay, so basically, here is our setups. Here is our 3 o'clock uh, candle time right here. Okay, let's take the auto scroll off. So yeah, there definitely would have been a trade here. Okay, but as you can see, it just it only went up about 18 pips and then came crashing down. We definitely broke through this resistance, so there was a trade there. And then it came down, never gave us a trade, and then here there was not technically a trade. It's only about 19 pips. But if you did it, well, you made 24, 25 pips at the top with a 33 pip stop. You didn't get your one-to-one out of it. It's a very choppy day with no news to drive the market anywhere. And then we changed direction here, came down. Okay, filter did not agree. However, we did in the US session come crashing down, came back up. They sold right in off of this resistance, which was now support turned into resistance, okay, because it broke through it, came back up, it turns into resistance. So the filter was red, it was a go right there. You broke through all the support, came back up. So if you sold right there, your stop would have been 30 pips, and you definitely got one-to-one out of that son of a gun. Okay, so there's the winning trade of the day. It was right there, and a few pips there, but there was no trading in here, and well, they had this trade here, but it wasn't all that great, as you can see. So that could have been a loser. Okay, so let's move on now to the 1 minute scalper and see what it gave us. Put the auto scroll back on that one. Okay, and we'll take the auto scroll off this one, and we'll scroll back in time. Okay, so as you can see here, it broke through the support, never came back up and gave us a trade, okay? There was no buying here, and there was no selling here either because it just bounced off of support, never came back up, gave us what we wanted. Even if you sold it here, you couldn't because it's only 4 pips to the bottom, and sure enough, look what they did. To the pip, they buy off of support, and they sell off resistance. And that alone is worth the value of 4XPipSnager, just knowing that, okay? And why you should not get in the trade. Like I told you yesterday, you gotta break through support or break through resistance, and if that's not the case, then you need at least your minimum take profit from your entry to support or resistance to give you a valid entry reason. Okay, so that's it for that. There was no trades there. There was no trades here. It just shot right up. And then our window of opportunity ended over here or somewhere around here, and the filter was black. There was no trades. There was no darn trades in there today. Take a look at the pound. Pound is here's 3 o'clock. It's same as the euro. Gave you a buy right here and did nothing and just came down and hit your stop. They're buggers. Okay. And here is the the pound. Another buy trade here at around, this is around news time, if there was some news. There's 27 pips, so there was a trade there, and sure enough, it went up about 63 pips with a 41 pip stop. You definitely got your one-to-one, but it took a long grind up to get it. Okay. So now, let's take a look at the Swissy. Swissy's the same as the euro, just identical opposite trades. Okay, you had a sell here, didn't really do much, and then it shot up. Okay, could have sold a few dips in here, and here was your entry to buy long here after it broke through resistance. And she went up about 34 pips, and you had a 23 to 25 pip stop. You got your one-to-one win-loss ratio right there in the U.S. session. Okay, so let's take a quick look now at Forex U-turn. Okay, okie dokie. Here we go. So we got a nice smooth rounded W here, and we got a nice smooth rounded M. The filter did not agree to buy, but it sure is agreeing to sell. Okay, so if you are short, you probably would have got short right now in here. Okay, Your stop's up there about 50 pips, and we'll see if we're going to go down. And on the pound, well, we got a smooth W to buy, and we got a blue filter right up in here somewhere to get long. So if you did get long with the filter, you got long right on the opening or the closing of this bar. Right now, you're up about 45 pips. And we're right at resistance here, so you might want to take the pips to the bank. Okay, so that's it for the setups for today. Thank you very much for watching and listening. And just want to say that, tomorrow is Forex Trend Wave. It's going to go live. Check it out. It's an awesome system. Anyway, and we'll see you tomorrow.